What's up, business buddies? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign. The action is invitation plus message plus CRM sync, meaning send invitation. If accepted, the message will be sent and sync with CRM. And these are the actions that will be applied. Okay, let's go utilize this sequence. You can create the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Click on Next. Here you're gonna choose the prospect list. You can either choose all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Click on Next. This is the invitation that will be sent. Then you must select the delay you want between the moment your prospects accept your invitation and your first message. Click on Next. Here you're gonna type your message, and it's always better to insert your variable containing the first name, last name, company, and of course it will change depending on your prospects. And here is your CRM sync. Send the data you want from your prospects directly to your HubSpot accounts. You can choose to use HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce. Once you're done with the connection, click on Next and your campaign will be created. Thank you so much for watching.